Hopefully don't get in trouble. I'm stepping back in case he gets shot. Did you ask her if we can rip the runway? Camera.
Got the camera.
Brought out the camera.
Got the amateur working with the pros.
I ain't no damn pro, man. What are you talking about, man? All right, guys, just another lazy Sunday. We're at a different location. Obviously, we're at Phil's house today. He's over there doing his thing. Say what up, man.
What up?
Yeah, just gonna go out on a photo shoot today. And oh, look at this, baby turbo.
Baby turbo. No shaft play. Whoever wants it. $200. There's some shaft play.
You gonna sell your turbo?
It's got shaft. Look.
Does it?
It touches.
Oh shit.
Yeah, that's the fire turbo.
Memories, man.
Yep. That's why I keep up with that and my intercooler.
Oh, look at it. You can see it's just bent, dude.
Yeah. Gotta keep the memories alive. Remind me of what it came from, you know?
The thing is bent. Holy crap.
Yep, that's why and this car just keeps making me put more money into it. I hate having to buy that. I mean, that thing has, seriously, maybe even less than 500 miles on it.
What? Are you serious?
And I got into an accident. And you can see one of the inlet sides, like it's all up.
Oh,
There's
wow,
no
yeah, you
coming
can see it. Yeah, that thing is a goner.
So I thought when the car died after, I got into the accident, I thought it was a boost leak from that because the piping came off. So I ordered the new intercooler, plugged it all in, went to fire it up, and it just kept,
Oh, yeah.
So I ended up jumping the timing on the motor. Luckily, it didn't bend any valves, put a new belt on.
That's why the car was gone for like 6 months, huh?
Yeah, that's why I was down so much longer.
But did
troubleshooting that.
Oh, look at this, the good stuff right here.
Oh, yeah.
If you guys want a good, awesome ceramic coating, there you go. Crystal Serum Light, and top it with EXO. So 1 coat of Crystal Serum Light and 2 coats of EXO on top. Absolutely amazing results.
Break it in with this bad boy.
Oh, there you go.
This is the, I think, 15 millimeter.
Yeah, I think they were sold out of those, huh?
Yeah, 15 millimeter long thread.
There you go. Detail time.
Oh, yeah.
All right, we're heading out to the spot. Don't really have a plan, but it's kind of like how I like it. We'll just go out and just do whatever, and if it comes out good, it comes out good. So there you go. There's Phil right there, of course. Got Brandon behind us. Such a nice day to be out doing car stuff, I'll tell you that right now. Yo, watching Brandon behind the scenes, man.
Yeah.
There you go, doing his thing.
Look at the magic.
Yeah, dope right there. Hell yeah.
Sure. Very nice.
Oh yeah. All right, so 2 spots done. We're going to our 3rd photo shoot location, out in the middle of nowhere.
Turn to your right. Oh, that way, yeah.
So Phil, you want to set the record straight about the piece by piece?
Piece by piece, piece by piece, we can piece by piece by piece, piece by piece. Little tip for you guys if you want to piece by piece this Varis kit together.
Piece by piece, man. Piece by piece everything. You got piece by piece your wheels, your 3-piece wheels.
We're just, a lot of you guys were giving them crap in the comments about saying piece by piece.
I did say it a lot, though.
Yeah.
I was getting murdered by you guys.
It's all good, though.
It's all good.
Just like abandoned cars around here. This is an abandoned car wash. Dang, look at all this. There's someone's cars, huh?
It's frozen. Oh,
Probably got like rat shit all up in there.
oh old DeVille?
This is a Cadillac.
Yes, DeVille. Still a motor in it.
Really? You check this out. It was last registered in 70. Location spot number 4. Wow, this is some cool places we're going to. I don't even know Never even known these places existed, but we're at like a small airport, which is pretty dope. Let's see how long we can stay here before getting kicked out. Is anyone here?
I doubt it. I don't know if anybody's here.
Phil's over there, he's gonna talk. It's always nice to ask for permission.
Excuse me.
I'm stepping back in case he gets shot.
Did she say drive on the grass?
Did you ask her if we can rip the runway? So she said it was cool?
She said it was like a free open airport. So
Really?
I guess that means it's cool.
Okay, all right, fuck it. Try it out. Get kicked out, we get kicked out. If we don't, we don't. Little potholes here I'm trying to avoid. Dang! Phil said be careful. So we are here at this airport. This airport still is active, and we just went ahead and just drove on to this airport. You got the runway right out there. You still have planes landing and taking off right there, but hopefully we don't get kicked out. Pretty sure something might happen, but we're gonna stay here until they kick us out. You know, we wanna respect the landowners and everything, but we're not bothering anyone, and no one's bothered us yet. Oh, that is dope. Look at that. Watch out, Phil, we got a car coming.
No, watch out, watch out. Oh, we do. I know.
Oh, guess he doesn't care. All right.
Well, it doesn't look like this is where they land. Like, this looks like the runway's out there. Yeah. So this is got that going for us. This is like just where they fill up and then they head out to taxi, and that's the start of the taxiway. Yeah. I mean, this is I mean, how many people really plan to so
Yeah.
Probably these two.
Yeah.
It's not like we're causing a ruckus or burning out or doing donuts. Yeah.
I am tempted to go out there and fucking just rip it on the runway, though.
That's what I'm saying.
Tell me you're not fucking tempted to do that shit.
Line them up right there. Yeah. Do it real quick and leave. If only like... Let's just, you guys rip, come through, out.
I know, before we leave, dude. What else can we use a fucking runway?
I like it. I don't know if I have the balls.
Me neither, I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, if you guys are nervous about being parked out here, you don't have the balls to do that.
Fuck no. Oh, there's people out there.
Just walking the dog. Kid skateboarding.
Yeah.
Was that?
Just kids out there skateboarding.
I may have a comment.
Oh, dude.
Close? What
Yeah.
is that, A7, or is that 60?
6,300.
Oh, hell yeah.
All right, Phil, roller time. Hell yeah. Always wanted rollers. Burn that clutch a little more. This is so fucking cool. Holy shit.
That one looks cool, dude. The dust is what
Oh
makes
my god.
The thing that's killing me.
Yeah.
Okay, this next one, just go in between the yellow line and the green grass line. I'm gonna have them right behind us.
Look at that.
That's for you, dude. I'm showing you.
Oh, dude, that is dope. Oh my lord.
That looks sick. Ready? Go a little bit to the right. Try that. Yeah.
Bro, that shit is fucking sick, dude. Oh my god. Hey, Phil.
It's all worth it. This was meant to be. Oh my goodness. Dude, it's sharp.
Even if you do get in trouble.
The sun. Oh my god. I flipped my camera last second to get it because I was like, oh, the sun's right there. Right, Tyler? Jesus, man. This
Dude.
guy.
What you think, man?
So talented. Worth every minute.
All because of you.
I wish we would have done it earlier.
There you go. What's that? Hell yeah. Dude. You're the man. Thanks for inviting me, dude.
Yeah, for sure, bro.
Yeah. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that is a wrap. I just want to say big thanks to Brandon at Woyshnis Media. Go ahead and check out his channel. The guy has amazing stuff. You guys will not believe it. If you haven't seen it, I highly suggest you to check it out, subscribe, all that good stuff. Amazing photographer and videographer. Also, big thanks to Phil for inviting me out. And yeah, whenever I get the pictures back from Brandon, I'll go ahead and post them up. And yeah, you guys are going to be amazed. These pictures are, yes, the best pictures I've ever had on my car, ever. But yeah, anyways, thanks for watching, and we will talk to you guys later. Peace out, guys.
It was all a dream. I used to read Word Up magazine. Salt and Pepper and Heavy D up in the limousine. Hanging pictures on my wall. Every Saturday, rap attack, Mr. Magic Molly Mall. I let my tape rock till my tape pop. Smoking weed and bamboo, sipping on private stock. Way back when I had the red and black lumberjack.